Let's see a topic, switch case. Switch case is a better code writing compared with if else if conditions. If you have a lengthy if and else if conditions, we can use switch to uh, achieve the same purpose, but it's not replaceable for if for all conditions. Let's see the example. If we have a variable called day which is of number type and with a value of 2, and if I want to write a logic to display name of the week, if I give the number of the day, that means if day is 1, I print Monday. If day is 2, we need to print Tuesday, like that. So if I want all 7 days, I have to write 7 if else if conditions. This is one way of achieving the goal. Other way is, instead of writing all these if else if conditions, we can use switch, which also behave in a similar way, and it takes a day as a parameter, and if it is case is 0, and then it executes this code between these two braces after this column, and if a case is 1, it prints this code. So if day is 0, it compares with day and 0, and then if it is true, it prints Sunday. If it compares with 1, then it compares with 1, and if it is true, it prints Monday. Like that it go on. And there is a default statement which is if nothing is available to compare, like final else in a if condition. This default is if nothing is matches, in no cases matches with the value, then it go with the default statement and prints this Sunday, like this, right? So let us execute this program and see, right? So it printed Tuesday. So the day I gave is value 2, then it compares day with 1, it's not true, then day is 2 is true, then it become true, then it became Tuesday. Similarly for switch also, it takes day 2 value 2, and then which case is matching this case 2 is matching, then it printed that 2. So that's the reason it printed two times Tuesday. One is for this if conditions, if this if statement, and other one for switch case statement. Okay, so the switch statement is not only for numbers but also for strings. Let us see how to write a switch case for strings. I declare a city, a variable of type string with a value. So if I see this switch city, now city is the variable, and it compares the value of the variable. So in the first, when you run this program, it takes Lucknow and compares this Hyderabad. It's not matching, and it compares with Lucknow. It matches, though it executes this statement, and it printed hello Lucknow here. So if I change this to another variable, Hyderabad, and I save this program, and I compile this first. Now I run this program. Now it become Yummy Biryani. So because it matches, the city is Hyderabad and this value matches with this case, so it executed this program, right? Let us see if I remove the break, what happens. Break is once you run this program, this case, it will exit from the switch case, right? The switch case starts from this brace and ends in this brace. Similarly here also, right? Let us see what happens if I remove the break statement, right? Now I save the program and then I run this program. Right now you see this, it printed Yummy Biryani and also hello Lucknow. That means what, this Hyderabad is came and it is compared with Hyderabad, it is true, so it became this one. Because there is no break, it gone to the next statement, and even it doesn't compare this anymore, right? So it does directly go into this statement and print Lucknow, right? So this is the reason you need a break statement, because it becomes true once and then it continues to next statements. So you have to be careful. The break, you should be always careful with the break.